Just hours after the president wished Americans a happy Easter this morning, he attacked both Democrats and immigration policies in a string of tweets.
Yeah, Team 12's Adam Bagney has the latest in our Trump tweet patrol.
One of Washington's most pressing issues still unresolved. What to do with dreamers, the children of undocumented immigrants brought to the U.S. by their parents. And after wishing his followers a happy Easter this morning, the president then unleashed a pair of tweets criticizing Democrats. Quote, Border Patrol agents are not allowed to properly do their job at the border because of ridiculous liberal Democrat policies like catch and release, getting more dangerous, caravans coming. Republicans must go nuclear option to pass tough laws now. No more DACA deal, the president wrote just before 10 a.m. Eastern time. 30 minutes later, he added, quote, Mexico is doing very little, if nothing, at stopping people from flowing into Mexico through their southern border and then into the U.S. They laugh at our dumb immigration laws. They must stop the big drug and people flows, or I will stop their cash cow NAFTA. Need wall. Katrina Ruiz of the Arizona Dream Act Coalition is a DACA recipient.
It is sad, but even though he has said that he supports us, he has shown with his actions that he doesn't. All I could think is like now he's showing his true colors.
In September, the president ended the DACA program, which shielded dreamers, and gave Congress 6 months to develop a fix. Ruiz says the problem is of the president's making.
He created this crisis. He decided to end the program.
And even though legislators haven't acted, court orders have forced the administration to keep issuing renewals.
If you know a DACA recipient or have a friend or friend of a friend that has DACA, let them know that they can renew.
As the debate rages on with no clear ending in sight. In Phoenix, Adam Bagney, 12 News.